Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards today. Amplifying abundance. Abundance is my birthright, and I receive it now. What if everything worked out? What if the thing you're worrying about right now never comes to pass and something else fell into place? Something joyful, something wonderful, or heck, just something not bad at all. Take a break from leaping to a laundry list of what could go wrong and let your mind explore what could be if all worked out. What's the best that could happen? Life is a long adventure, and you're the best at deciding where it should go. I am abundance. I am worthy of love, and I am lovable. Face inner demons. Don't be afraid of darkness. There's a light nearby. Transform, integrate. Alrighty, what are today's quotes? Let's see what's in here today. I am the same as everybody, but with different challenges. Become what it is you seek. Stand alone if you must. Those with genuine self-confidence are humble. They don't need high status or others' praise to believe in themselves. Rejoicing in our own virtue is important. It's not conceit. We have talents and abilities. Let's rejoice in them and use them to benefit society. We don't need to be the best to live a meaningful life. Be aware of the energy you allow in your space. People can sense a jealous spirit, a negative energy, and miserable people. Heal yourself. Make the most of your situation. There is always a lesson of truth to seek. My favorite kind of people are the ones who let me be as crazy as I am. Mark Anthony. Be all that you can be despite your perceived misgivings. Grow knowledge over power. And the last one today. How to win at life. Step 1. Let people do what they need to do to make them happy. Mind your own business and do what you need to do to make you happy. The end. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.